Again, wait for the test to run. The test will be completed when the test end indicator turns red. While this portion of the test is running, it is best to complete the quality assurance, or QA, portion of the test. This is accomplished by locating the silver QA pouch taped on the far right side of the HM card. Gently pull the pouch off the card. Once the pouch has been removed, it is opened by tearing the notch in the pointed end of the pouch. Be careful not to spill the liquid contents. The open end of the pouch is placed on the opening in the QA detector before squeezing the pouch to apply the liquid. The QA detector has a test end indicator identical to the ones on the other two detectors. Wait for this to turn red before deciding the results of the test. Determining the results of the test is a simple matter of color comparison. First, look at the QA detector. If the indicator turns black, the detectors are in good working order, as seen here. If the detectors do not turn black, throw away the HM card. If one of the other detectors has already changed colors, it is likely that the food is poisoned, but the food should be retested anytime the QA does not turn black. If the QA does turn black, but the test end indicator does not turn red, the detectors are still in good working order and the results are reliable. After checking to be sure the QA works, look at the central detector, sample number 2. If a dark or yellow color forms on this detector, it means the food sample was poisoned. If the food is not poisoned, the detector will remain white. After checking the central detector, look at the detector on the far left of the HM card, sample 1. If a color appears on this detector, the food is poisoned and should not be eaten. The coloration on this detector will be red. If the food sample was poisoned, it may be important to determine what was used to poison the food. This can be accomplished by referring to the poison identification chart included in the food poison detection kit. This chart shows which colors correspond to various poisons. For the HM card, if the food is poisoned with mercury, the left detector will turn red-brown, and the center detector will turn a marbled gray-black. This can be seen using the detector that we used to test the food laced with mercury. As you can see, the left detector does have a reddish-brown color to it, and the central detector does have the marbled gray-black color. If the food was poisoned with lead, the sample 1 detector will turn a deep red, while the sample 2 detector will turn black. This can also be seen on our detector, which was used to test the food which was laced with lead. As you can see, the left detector formed a deep red color, and the central detector turned a black color, similar to the one on the QA. If the food was poisoned with thallium, the left detector will not change color, but the center detector will turn gray. This can be seen using our detector, which was tested with food laced with thallium.